Edo State government don't start to cultivate 3,000 hectares of farmland for all 3 senatorial districts for the state. The first phase don't start with 60 hectares, where be 148 acres for Igwariaki of your Southwest local government area for Edo South senatorial district as the farming season don't start. This project now part of Governor Monday Okpebholo's Back to Farm initiative, where aligned with President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda, where focus on food sufficiency for the country. Governor Okpebholo with Dr. Osage Peter, Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Agriculture, carry waka go visit the farm, where Oga Governor for talk say in go repeat the farm settlement for Edo Central and Edo North to make sure say food dey enough for the whole state. E con tok say Edo State dey support federal government plan for food production, say na back to the farm we dey. Governor Okpebholo con tok say dem don fully enter agriculture to grow Edo economy, say this na the second time e don enter farm to help produce food for im people.
We have cleared about 500 hectares plus of land, right? So we are doing more. We are going to do about 3,000. This is the first stage, and the other side of Edo Central and Edo North, we are also having similar in those part of Edo State. So we are ready to farm and we are not going back. In line with Mr. President's Renew Hope agenda, it's part of feeding the nation is the most important thing to the President. And we have key into that. As far as Edo is concerned, is back to farm.
Permanent Secretary of Ministry of Agriculture, Dr. Osage Peter, con tok say about 250 farm heads go benefit from the first phase with the Igwariaki settlement wey get 2,350 hectares, say the bigger part of the land go get permanent crops like palm and rubber. Oga Peter Consti tok say the farm go fit accommodate 250 active farm heads and it go help food security for Edo South and beyond. Say dem still dey work on the farm to make am ready for planting. Say dem don clear land and dem go continue with plans to clear 3,000 hectares in total,
including oil palm and rubber. However, these are about 60 hectares that we have already cleared preparatory for tractorization. By the time we are done with the tractorization, His Excellency sir, at about 5 hectares per farmer or farmer group, this place will be able to accommodate about 250 active farmer heads. And that will be guaranteeing food security to a great extent in Edo South and beyond. So I welcome you today, sir, to see how far we have gone and to also say that there's still some work left in the tractorization before our farmers can come in here and we'll give them seed as you promised, His Excellency, so that they'll be able to produce food for the people of Nigeria. We're starting with maize, intercrop with cassava. That's what we plan to do on this portion of land.
The governor and a team come also visit the Benin-Owina River Basin Development Authority integrated farm for Obayanto for Okpebholo local government area for Edo South. Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we not to take blame. Ekata Ojisoli, TMC News.